Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. My name is Investor BMC, a financial risk management. I'm here to talk about how to invest in different fintech apps that are good in different investment portfolio. And before we dive into today's topic, please kindly click the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Your like and comment and share goes a long way. Kindly like, comment and share. Well, let's go into today's topic, which is different fintech app that are good in different investment portfolio. There are so many apps that are used outside now, but don't be afraid. I am here to guide you what app is the best for different investments. One, for investing in Nigeria stock market, we have Bamboo, Alpha Investor 2.0, Maytrade, Cowrywise, and Stanbic IBTC. And for you to invest in Nigeria stock market, you have to have this app above. And number two, for investing in US stock markets, we have Bamboo, Optimus by Alpha Investor, and Bybit app. Do you know Bybit can also invest in stock? I think so. Bybit can also invest in stock. If you are a crypto trader, you can also use Bybit to invest. And the number three here is for investing in money market mutual fund. We have the Stanbic IBTC and the Cowrywise. And number four is for naira saving and high yield saving. We have the PiggyVest, which is I think PiggyVest is 10 years old now. We have the PiggyVest and the Landa and the Cowrywise and the FSDH and Optimus app. They are the best saving for naira saving and high yield. And for dollar saving, we have the Sycamore, Cowrywise and Landa. Mostly the Sycamore is one of the best dollar saving accounts, and you can try Landa. Landa is also one of the best platform to invest in dollars. And if you find this video helpful, please kindly like, comment and share. Your like and comment and share goes a long way. My name is BM, which means Investor BM. Once again, nice to meet you. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate. Please hit the subscribe button to be notified when I release another video again. Thanks so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. All right.